In this video, I'm going to show us how to open up our Adobe Illustrator document, rename it, and also get our Adobe Illustrator looking like mine so my videos are a lot more easy to look through and to watch and learn from. So getting set up essentially. So coming in here, we double click to open. It should open Illustrator. It does take a little bit of time depending on if it's the first time you've been in. If you ever have a problem logging in, though, make sure you ask me for help because every once in a while it loses the rights to the license. So if it doesn't get to here and it says you don't have a license or it's expired, call me over. I can help you get back to where it needs to be. Once we open it up, it works just like a lot of other programs where we have our different tabs going across here in the top if we have more than one file opened up. When you guys come in, the window control won't be there, and then also this little toolbar over here on the edge will be one line. So the first thing that I want to do is you guys will start with a thing called Essentials. Over here in the upper right hand corner, this will be a single bar once again. We want to come in and make it look right. So the first thing, taking this, changing it to Essentials Classic. That gives us a little bit over here as far as some tool things that are going on, and it also gives us our window, which should be our window control. All right, it should turn those two things on when we go from Classic to Essentials. Mine didn't do it, but I think it will work for yours. If it doesn't, it's a click on the window and going down to the control bar, clicking on it, make sure the check mark's next to it. This enables this bar right here, which holds a lot of different things, capabilities you can do with your tools. All right. Last thing is over here in the left-hand edge, click on this double arrow, and that will make your toolbar double wide, like mine is in the majority of my videos. That makes our windows all look kind of the same. The next thing I'm going to do is make sure this is named appropriately. How I'm going to do that is by doing a File, Save As, allows me to change the location where it's at, but it should be in our H drive already. And then lastly, click into the front of this by selecting it, and then type in your login. So it'd be your last five. Mine would be, for Layman, would be Lema. Robert would be Robert. O is my middle initial, 00. The only thing I'm missing there is I would want to also have our class hour. So if I was in 4th hour, I put a 4 in front of it. So we have our hour, our login, and then ending with our symbol or our assignment name, which is a symbol creation template. Hit save. You can get a pop-up next. We want to make sure we hit OK. After that, you should see it change in your tab up here so it's named correctly by the hour, your login, and the assignment name. Now we are ready to start using the videos to learn the tools of Adobe Illustrator. All right. One thing that's kind of handy right away is knowing what these things do as far as how to make this bigger and smaller and whatever else. This is an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. I was using my scroll wheel there to scroll up and down. If you push the Alt key next to the scroll wheel, it helps you do a navigation that is very handy, and that is scrolling in, scrolling out. So if your piece doesn't look like mine and the idea that's really far out or it's really far in, wherever you have your cursor, when you zoom in, it will put it in the middle. And then also, this is the same size for everybody. 8.5 by 11 virtual piece of paper. It is our artboard, the space where we can create things that will save. All the rest of the space around here is space you can doodle, and it won't save later on. All right. Other than that, I hope the video helped. Thanks for watching.